hammer curls. Yeah, and I selected a fucking image of, damn, the classic Mr. Olympia Chris Bumstead doing fucking hammer curls. And yo, this dude, the funny thing is that his biceps are his weak points in his physique, and fuck, bro, his biceps look awesome. And yo, Chris Bumstead is a fucking legend, bro. 4 times Mr. Olympia now, and potentially there is not a lot of people to challenge that. Maybe Ramondino, I don't know, which is a fellow Brazilian that has insane genetics, but I don't know, bro. Chris Bumstead is looking fucking crazy, and if things stay the way they are today, and he doesn't have a setback, I don't see he losing his title next year. So let's fucking start the hammer curls, bro. Best for myofibrillar hypertrophy. Yeah, bro. 8 to 15 rep ranges, 4 to 8 fucking sets per workout, and the rest times, bro, is 1 to 2 minutes. Here is one of those exercises that I say, yo, go fucking crazy. Allow the fucking disruption of the muscle to be a part of your fucking workout, because what you are stimulating the most is the peripheral nervous system and the muscles on the brachialis when you are doing hammer curls, and those muscles, they recover pretty fucking fast. And even if they don't recover, the feeling that you get when they are fried as shit is awesome. It's a great pump. It's a great muscle disruption that makes you feel like you did something worthwhile when you were in the gym. So reps in reserve, 0, my friend, 0. You only stop when you can't move anymore. And here is something that might surprise a little bit some people. The strength standards for this shit is 15% of your body weight when you are novice, 20% of your body weight when you are an intermediate lifter, when you are already training for a year or 3 years, and for an advanced lifter, 30% of your body weight. And the thing is, if you can go heavier, go fucking heavier, because this movement is designed for you to move really heavy shit. When I say go for 15 reps and it's for myofibrillar hypertrophy, this means that you are doing about 8 to 10 reps where you are really controlled and you hit that point where the brachialis is really fucking screaming at you. And after you did those reps with fucking control and you start failing, then you start fucking swinging those weights and fucking cheating your reps. That's why you are going for myofibrillar hypertrophy even further than 12 fucking reps. And you need to go as fucking heavy as possible, because the brachialis is a muscle designed to be strong as shit. The biceps is more designed to be endurant. It's designed for strength endurance. The brachialis is the fucking heavy hitter of the arm, of pulling, bending your fucking elbows, okay? So go heavy, go as heavy as you can on the hammer curls, and remember that they are extremely important. We are going to talk about that when we reach the hypertrophy session here. Let's just talk about deloads. No deloads. There's no fucking reason to deload a hammer curl. Actually, if you don't do hammer curls and you are in your fucking deload week because you are like a fucking psycho that only do strong lifts 5x5, how about throw some hammer curls there? Take a week and do just hammer curls. Learn how to train like a bodybuilder, because it's fucking awesome to do a fuck ton of reps. So no need to fucking deload. This doesn't cause that much systemic fatigue at all. You can pretty much do this fucking exercise every fucking day of the week, bro. So minimum volume to maintain the development that you acquire, the strength qualities that you acquire with hammer curls, is right around 3 to 5. I could have put 0 here, but because if you are using a decent strength program, a decent bodybuilding program, or a power building program, a decent one, you can 1 week not do hammer curls at all, because you are shoving like rows and other shit that will maintain the real state that you developed with hammer curls in your fucking muscles. But if the hammer curl is the only movement that you use a neutral grip to curl, or let's say you never use a neutral grip in a T-bar row, never use a neutral grip on fucking pull downs or whatever, okay? Then the hammer curls are fucking gnarly. You need to be introducing 3 to 5 sets to maintain your development with them. For slow gains on the hammer curl, go for 6 to 10 reps. To have really good gains and manageable good gains, go for 12 sets, 12 to 15 sets a week. And to go fucking bananas and try to explode your fucking arms, 16 sets to 24 sets a week. And that is better than if it was a fucking easy bar curl or other curls, because the hammer curl, since it stimulates the brachialis the most, primarily, it helps protect the fucking elbow. So it's not that injurious to fucking do a fuck ton of hammer curls very often. So it's essentially a free pass to use this fucking movement as often as you fucking want. So let's see, hammer curls, range of fucking motion. The range of fucking motion, it's not that great. You actually stop before you complete the range of motion. You don't need to be fucking doing this, and trying to like hit the dumbbell on your ear, Well, right where Chris Bumstead is holding the dumbbell there, it's right where you should be stopping. A little bit above that is where you should be stopping to really engage the brachialis. And the thing about the brachialis that I was going to say before, and I should have said, is that to really bring your biceps out, to really make your biceps look good, is all about the brachialis. And the same applies to the triceps. If you want the horseshoe to start to pop off, if you want this fucking shit, the light is fucking trash here. This fucking shit to start to pop off is all about the medial head of the triceps. It's the stuff that is below the biceps and the triceps that is going to make the details on the outside look better. So the hammer curl for fucking biceps is essential. But the range of motion is not to fucking write home about. You don't, unless you fucking break your fucking elbows and you hyperextend your fucking arms, there's really nothing to talk about the range of motion on this movement. It's standard. It's even below the complete arch of range of motion that you could be using. As for time efficiency, imagine you going to the gym and the only thing that you do is fucking hammer curls. No, bro, no. Time efficiency is not one of the strengths of the hammer curl, and also you stimulate each arm unilaterally. So you are going to be every set of 15 reps is actually 30 reps. So fuck, that's not time efficient at all. So 2 fucking points for time efficiency. Now for sarcoplasmic hypertrophy, things start to get a little bit interesting. You can go for sarcoplasmic hypertrophy with this movement. It's actually one of my favorite finishers. After you already fucking did some close grip bench presses, and then you do some easy bar curls, and then you do some fucking push-ups, and to close things off, hammer curls with low weights. If you have my plates, they have a handle, so it's cool to do hammer bar curls with the plate, because the plate, since the way that the force displacement changes and forces your brachialis to do more work, it's good to just grab the plate with a handle and fucking do the hammer curls with it. And for that, my friends, I like to do them for high reps, but it's nothing to write home about. It's above average for sarcoplasmic hypertrophy. It's a good finisher after a gnarly workout that you emphasize your arms, but it's nothing more than a 4. It's nothing more than a 4, bro. And in the myofibrillar hypertrophy domain is where this fucking beautiful movement shines, bro. Myofibrillar hypertrophy is the expertise of the fucking hammer curls. Is what you should be aiming to do with this shit. You can go fucking heavy. You need to go as heavy as you fucking can. You need to use cheated reps. You need to introduce whatever the fuck you can. whatever the fuck you want to move the weight, to move more fucking weight, because then you are going to stimulate your brachialis to the maximum. And bro, if you manage to do that, it's a 6, bro. There's no other exercise that will stimulate the fucking brachioradialis and all the fucking that fucking shit that stays below the fucking biceps better than hammer curls. That's why you'll see every single fucking bodybuilder in the world do this shit. If you find one that don't do this shit, it's because he's tired of doing this shit, but he did it for a long fucking time, you know? Would you say that hammer curls are similar to calves and medial delts? Like you could train them often and nearly every day? Hell yeah. With hammer curls, if you are doing like some neutral grip pull-ups, then probably yes too. Because pull-ups are so foundational that I really like when people go crazy and develop an extreme work capacity with pull-ups. But yeah, the hammer curls can be done pretty much as a finisher to every single workout that you do. To develop fucking power, it's not even a question. It sucks. That's not the objective of the movement at all. And to develop fucking strength, then it's pretty fucking good. It's better than expected, to be honest. Like I was thinking of putting a fucking tree here, but I just realized that when this movement develops your grip like crazy. If you do it correctly and you don't let the fucking dumbbell sit on your hand, don't try to isolate your brachioradialis, okay? Like grip the fucking implement, grip the fucking dumbbell as hard as you fucking can. And like Aaron said on the chat before, if you have fat grips, bro, if you have fat grips, then it's way more gnarlier. So when you do that, you force your body to learn how to squeeze like fucking crazy, bro. And that will improve your ability to conjure strength, your ability to engage your peripheral nervous system that inform the central nervous system whenever the central nervous system needs to do something, like in a bench press. So for strength is a 4, it's a solid score, but it's not the main thing. So that was fucking hammer curls, bros. Let's take a look at fucking Cora. Nah, let's do the fucking power cleans.